Hello and welcome to my tutorial on mastering API authorization with Postman. In this session, we will explore various types of authorization supported by Postman and how to implement them in your API requests efficiently. Let's start by understanding the different types of authorization supported by Postman. No Auth, API keys, bearer token, JWT Bearer, Basic Auth. Let's start with No Auth. When your request doesn't require any authorization, simply select No Auth from the Authorization tab. Postman won't send any authorization details with the request. Next, it's API key. With API key authentication, you send a key value pair, either in the request headers or query parameters. Select API key from the type drop-down list, enter your key name and value, and choose either header or query params from the add to drop-down list. Next, it is API key. With API key authentication, you will send a key value pair, either in the request headers or query parameters. Select API key from the type drop-down list. Enter your key name and value, and choose either header or query params from the add to drop-down list. Next, let's talk about bearer token. Bearer tokens authenticate requests using an access key, such as JSON Web Token. To do that, select bearer token from the type drop-down list, enter your API key value in the token field. Postman will append the token value to the request authentication header in the requested format. Next, it is JWT Bearer. Postman supports generating JWT Bearer tokens to authorize requests. You can enter a payload in the editor, and JWT tokens are generated and added to the request. Next, it is Basic Auth. Basic authentication involves sending a verified username and password with your request. To do that, select Basic Auth from type drop-down list, enter your API username and password. The authorization header passes the API a base64 encoded string representing your credentials. In conclusion, mastering API authorization with Postman is essential for secure and efficient API testing and development. By understanding and leveraging the various authorization type available, you can ensure the integrity and security of your API requests. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial session. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy testing with Postman!